The average household loses 10 square feet of space annually due to clutter. Clutter is a silent thief that steals our space, our time, and our peace of mind. It's a problem that affects us all, from busy professionals to families with young children. But have you ever stopped to think about where clutter accumulates the most? For many of us, it's around our windows. Windows are a focal point in any room, and they deserve some special attention when it comes to organization. Not only do they provide natural light and ventilation, but they also offer a stunning view. However, when clutter accumulates around windows, it can obstruct the view and create a sense of disarray. So, how can we keep our windows clutter-free and organized? One simple solution is to use window sills as a storage space. Window sills are perfect for storing books, decorative items, or even plants. By using window sills, you can keep your windows clear and unobstructed, while also adding a touch of personality to your space. But what about the areas around windows that are harder to reach? For example, the window frame itself can be a challenge to clean and organize. This is where a simple tool, like a microfiber cloth, comes in handy. Microfiber cloths are gentle on surfaces and can pick up dust and dirt with ease. By using a microfiber cloth, you can keep your window frames clean and dust-free. Another area to consider is the window treatments. Curtains, blinds, and shades can all contribute to clutter around windows. To keep them organized, try using a tension rod or a double rod. Tension rods are great for storing curtains or drapes, while double rods offer more flexibility. But what about the windows themselves? For example, if you have a window with a lot of condensation, it can be a sign of poor ventilation. To fix this issue, try using a dehumidifier or a fan. Dehumidifiers and fans can help reduce condensation and keep your windows clear. By addressing these issues, you can keep your windows clutter-free and well-maintained. And did you know that clutter around windows can also affect your mental health? A cluttered environment can lead to feelings of anxiety and stress. So, it's essential to keep your windows organized and clutter-free. One final tip is to use window decals or stickers to add some personality to your space. Window decals and stickers come in a variety of designs and can be easily removed when needed. By using window decals or stickers, you can add some color and interest to your windows. But what if you have a lot of clutter around your windows? Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. Start by decluttering one area at a time and work your way up. Begin with the windowsill, and then move on to the window frame and window treatments. Remember, organization is a process, and it's essential to take it one step at a time. By breaking down the task into smaller chunks, you'll be more likely to stick to it. And don't forget to reward yourself along the way. Maybe treat yourself to a favorite snack or drink after completing a task.
This will help motivate you to keep going.
So, which area of your windows will you tackle first? Will it be the windowsill, the window frame, or the window treatments? Whatever you choose, remember to take your time and have fun with it. Organization is a journey, not a destination. And the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you're done will be well worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free and organized space. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on organization and productivity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more organization tips and tricks.